Hello lovely people, my name is Brein Yaad from Ja People's Camp. Introduction, Jamaica by Brein Yaad. Jamaica is an island nation located in the West Indies on the continent of North America. Its capital is Kingston. It is situated in the Caribbean Sea, south of Cuba and west of Haiti. Jamaica is the third largest island and the fourth largest country in the Caribbean. Only USA and Canada are more popular than Jamaica in North America. Other words Jamaicans use to refer to their country include the Yaad, J.A., the island, Jamdong or Jamrock. And the people who come from Jamaica or the Yaad are referred to as Yaadis, Jamaicans, or Yaadi Massive. Yaadis speak a language called Yaadi, Jamaican, or Patois, or Jamaican Creole. Jamaica's indigenous people were known as Arawaks and Taino. The Arawaks used to speak Arawakan, but the Taino named the island Jamaica, which means the land of wood and water, or the land of springs. The Arawaks and Taino originated from the continent of South America and settled on the island between 1000 and 4000 BC. Before Christ. Jamaica was formerly a Spanish possession known as Santiago. It later became the British Crown colony of Jamaica. It remains a Commonwealth realm with Queen Elizabeth II of England as head of state. However, the Queen is represented by a Prime Minister in Jamaica. Prime Ministers of Jamaica before include Bruce Golding, Edward Seager, Michael Manley, P.J. Patterson, Lady Portia Simpson Miller, Andrew Holness. Cities and major towns in Jamaica include Most major cities and towns are located on the coast. Chief towns and cities include the capital, Kingston, Montego Bay, Portmore, Spanish Town, Mandeville, Ochorius, Port Antonio, Negril, Seaview, Clarendon, Portland, St. Andrew, St. Anne, St. James, Waterhouse, St. Mary, Rima, Cassavapis, Trelawney. Other small towns in Jamaica include Manchester, St. Elizabeth, Tivoli Gardens, Trenchtown, Boff Bay, Moore Bay, Riverton, Stani, Tower Hill, Tel Aviv, Tarvan, Somerton, Drusland, Pineland, Pattaya, Rockfort, Newport, Grandspen, Anatoby, Slipen, Islington, Wawika Hill, Orange Hill, Grange Hill, Reds Hill, Falmouth, Sherlock, Brook Valley, New Haven, Mar Valley, Jungle, Dunkirk, Southside, Gardeville, East Side, West Side, Nannyville, Harborview, Mountain View, Bull Bay, and Maxfield. National symbols of Jamaica. Jamaica has a national bird. It's the Dr. bird. It's green and has a black streamer tail. The national flower. This is the Lignum vitae. The national tree. It's the blue maho. The national food. It's ackee and saltfish. The national motto. Out of many, one people, which signifies unity among many cultures today and races present in Jamaica. Thank you very much. My name is Brein, Yaad, straight out of Ja People's camp. Blessings.